What's going on, guys? Marcus Czar here, and today is Sunday. It's Easter out here in the United States, and yeah, guys, it's not looking good as far as the cryptocurrency space today. The market cap is at $256 billion with a 24-hour volume of $11.2 billion, with BTC dominance at 45.3%. And the markets is getting crushed. As you guys could see right here, everything is in the red. Bitcoin is down 4.21%. It's currently trading at $6,824. Ethereum is down 6.80% with a trading price at $377.93. So definitely some cheap crypto that's on the market right now as a whole. A lot of stuff is down. Stellar, Neo, Monero, which always pushes back up. So I'm always looking at Monero and things like that. I do want to get a position with this privacy coin. Dash is down. Tron is back to the 14th spot. They're at 3 cents. The test net wasn't what we all expected, so I'm gonna make another video about that. And yeah, guys, the market is just getting crushed right now. So, it's like I said, is that a good thing or a bad thing? It just all depends on you, what you're looking at and what you're trying to do. For me, anything that's down is always a good sign for me to get in some of these altcoins or even Bitcoin, so I could get a better position than I had before. So that's always something I'm looking at. And this is the top 100, and you guys could clearly see everything is in the red. And this is in USD. So I'm gonna go ahead and change this to BTC, which is Bitcoin, because everything is tied to Bitcoin, not the dollar. So this is more of an accurate picture of things. Like I said, everything is still down it's in the red. You got some green here as far as Monero, 0.06%. Cardano is 0.40%. And this one cryptocurrency is it's actually doing pretty well. XPA. I don't know anything about this crypto, so I'll be looking into this. It's up, in the last 24 hours, it's at 40.69%. So huge gains. Verge as well, even though I don't like Verge. It's at 12.27%. So you have some green here for some cryptocurrencies and things like that. So not everything is totally in the red, but the majority of all cryptocurrencies in the top 100 are in the red. Binance coin is at 1.10%. So those are some gains right there. A quick snapshot of what's going on in the on CoinMarketCap.com. And I actually have this my graph right here, which is Bitcoin and USD. I'm looking at the 1-day chart, and it looks like Bitcoin is about oversold right now. It definitely can drop a little bit lower to its, I want to say this candlestick right here, this is like the lowest it dropped, right? Which is about 6,000. This is the lowest Bitcoin drop. So I do have it on this long candle, stick right here. But if I move this to the bottom of this, before it drops down to this little candlestick, as I move it up right there, right? Because this is where Bitcoin dropped at its lowest point. This was back in February. So February 6th, we had this big drop before everybody started to buy it. So as I changed it, it's at the low peak of about, what's that? 6,000? What's that? Let me see. So open, so $6,948 for Bitcoin. So definitely, hit the support line. So it's definitely, a good opportunity to buy based on what I see on the charts. It looks like it's gonna bounce back up. But like I said, this is crypto. It can continue to drop a little bit lower than this, this line that I drew right here, which is the support line. it can drop a little bit lower than that. So that's just a heads up. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. You know, always do your own research, always do your due diligence. You know, this is just information purposes only. So you guys can look what's going on in the space, because the space moves pretty quickly, and, Bitcoin is, you know, sitting right on the support line. So, it's very, it's going to be interesting to see within the next couple of hours to see if it's going to, or the next day or two to see if it's going to pop back up and, hit this resistance line, which is about, I don't know, 11,095 cents based on this high. And this is where I'm looking at, this high, low, close, and open right here. So, so yeah, guys, so this is the resistance about the 11,890, you know, dollar range, since I'm looking up here too on this, you know, this time frame, the numbers. So, yeah, guys, so definitely interesting to see how this is going to play out for the whole markets in general. It's a good opportunity to buy low and to sell high, you know, to look at your entry points and things like that, especially with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is about, you know, like I said, oversold at this point. So yeah, guys, with that said, give this video a thumbs up, give this video a thumbs down. All feedback is good feedback. And yeah, guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And, yeah, more content is going to be coming up all the time now. And, with that said, Mark Azar, I'm out.